Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Ngayon, magbobotohan tayo. Mag-e-election tayo. Taasan ang kamay. So that you will know. And we will know what the majority wants. Or what is more beneficial to the greatest number. Or in this case, the city employees of the City of Manila. May concern sa akin. Sabi, ano ba? 8 to 5 o 7 to 4? O, teka na. Hindi po to sabayang bigkas. This time, tutuldukan natin to. I will hear you. I will listen to you. And I will follow your decision. Taas ang kamay. Tandaan ninyo ha, pag-isipan nyo maigi. This is it. Taas ang kamay na gustong 7 to 4. Sige lang. Okay. Okay. Bigyan naman natin ng chance yung bandang wakali. Taas ang kamay ng gusto 8 to 5. Ang tawag dyan, o yan ang resulta nung nakaraang halalan. Mudslide. We are 7. Remember, it is your will, it is your request, it is your voice. Now you have a city government who listens to you. Okay? So 7 to 4. Hoy, mga department at saka bureau, walang 7 to 4 sa akin. Broken hours po kami. Sa totoo lang, siguro nakaka-30 hours pa lang ako na total na tulog since Monday last week. But that's the least of your problem. So, 7 to 4. We're okay? I love you.